I just want to clarify. Can you just repeat what you said that Kelly told you about the fact that the child was still in the informal settlement? Did you say that somebody wanted to sell the child or buy the child?
Kan u net weer vir ons herhaal waar u gesê het dat die kind is nog steeds op die kind is in die plakkerskamp nie. Iemand wou om die kind te koop of die kind gekoop. Kan u dit herhaal asseblief?
Kelly's woorde was,
Kelly's words were,
my suster, my kind is in die plakkerskamp.
my sister, my child is in the informal settlement.
Iemand wou my kind verkoop.
Someone wants to sell the child.
But Saldanha, maar is nou beheerder in Saldanha,
But Saldanha is a hotspot now.
maar my kind is in die plakkerskamp.
But my child is in the informal settlement.
So dit is wat ek gesê het op die interview.
So that is when I said in the interview,
En toe het Kelly my aangeval,
and Kelly attacked me
deur om vir my te sê,
to say,
ek moet ophou lieg,
I'm gonna stop lying,
en dat ek nie 'n promosie sal kry,
and then I won't get a promotion.
en ek kan maar net my bietjie reg trek.
I must just pull my lips properly.